Hi everyone, welcome to another weekly video. This week we're going to show you how to run and lock your payroll report on CareForIT. Keep watching for a tutorial on this or take a look at the linked support article below. Before running payroll, it is advisable to check you have set pay rates for all your job roles. You should also check the setting within your app settings are correct. This can include staff pay capping and mileage settings. You can locate the payroll report by choosing the Reports menu and clicking Payroll. You'll be presented with the date selector to allow you to choose the dates for your payroll. You can then click Advanced Settings, which will present further options for your payroll. You can choose whether to pay for actual or scheduled times and can also cap at scheduled pay. You can now run payroll based on a team by clicking the team name from the list. You can amend your mileage and travel pay settings and tick any additional options within the report. When ready, click Generate Report. Depending on the amount of data being reviewed, completion times will vary. If any annual leave takes place within this date period, the system will alert you to this and calculate the correct holiday entitlement. If there are any issues with postcodes, for example new build properties, you'll be alerted to this and the error will be highlighted in red with the problem postcode showing in bold. For a breakdown of everything worked within the date period, you can click the plus symbol to the left of the line to expand the details. You can amend the pay and expenses column prior to locking the report by clicking into these sections. The payroll report will also show the travel type for that visit. If holiday is booked, this entry will show in the report. You'll see a coloured triangle in the upper right corner of the pay column. The user is given the option to pay or not pay the staff for the holiday. Prior to locking payroll, you can use the bulk action menu to email and print the payroll report. You need to select which members of staff you wish to complete the bulk action for by ticking the box on the left side of each line. You can then choose the email details, which will email a copy of the payroll report details to the carer or staff member selected. Print details to generate a PDF of the expanded payroll details for all staff which you have selected. Once you have emailed and printed the report, you can then lock the payroll, which will allow you to generate a CSV file of the payroll report. You now also have the option to unlock your own payrolls. Click the Locked Payroll button within the payroll report and select the payrolls you wish to unlock using the tick boxes on the left-hand side and then click Unlock Payroll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us on all our social media platforms.